Hey guys, Andrew here. And in this video, I want to help you to find your order history. So in case you can't see your orders or your My Amazon orders, then I'm going to show you how to find this and how to actually fix this problem. So purchase something on Amazon but just can't find it. Follow these steps and you'll be able to find it. And I'm going to try to give you some scenarios as well that could be the reason why, and so this guide should be able to help you to fix that problem or address this problem if you can't find in your orders on Amazon. So the first thing that we want to do is to head over to amazon.com, right? And sign into your account. If you notice that you go to amazon.com and you sign in automatically, the first thing you want to do is to double check if you're under the correct account. And this is the thing that we overlook the most by just knowing that we sign in because we saw that it shows our name. But sometimes we have multiple accounts and we don't realize that we have multiple accounts and anyone could be signing at the moment. So you want to go ahead and over your name or the account at the upper right, and it should show you your name and email address. If it's incorrect, just simple switch account if you have multiple accounts under that setup right there, or just simple click and sign out and sign back again into that correct account. This is the most important thing that you want to do at this stage, guys, and you want to ensure that you're under the correct account. Once you do that, just simply click and returns and orders on the upper right. And so from here, you will be able to see your orders. And you can now look if you're able to see the orders. If you're not able to see the orders, switch the filter here. By default, this is set to 3 months, and you want to click in that and expand it and find the year that you made a purchase. If you're not sure if you made a purchase in 2025 or 2024 or 2023, guys, then you want to go ahead and just try to use a search. You may remember the product at least or something similar. And so you will want to use the search to search for it, right? So this is a way how you can do it. And this also helps you if the products are so old and you don't even remember which year it is, then you can search for all of your products right here. Now, let's get into some scenarios. As I already started to show you, it could be a scenario that it is older than 4 months, older than 3 months, and you will go ahead and just search by expanding the year 2025 or 2024. It could be an older year and you want to search by that, so you can select the specific year. Or it could be you just don't know which year, so you use the search. Now, another thing that you could do is to look under not shipped yet. This could show you as well where the order is, if it was shipped or not. And of course, it kind of give you confirmation as well that not only that the product was purchased, but it confirms that the product is active and it's under not shipped yet, but it will be shipped at some point. And so this will show you right here that the product was 100% purchased. And so you'll be able to see it. Buy again will show you products that you also purchased. And so you will see that, yeah, it's something that you may be able to find under your buy again because it will show you like a history of things that you bought. Not shipped yet. Again, order was fully purchased, but it's just not shipped yet. Digital orders, it will show you your digital orders, of course, and so forth. Now, what if you're not seeing it under not shipped yet, for example, and it's something that you recently purchased or you purchased today or yesterday, but you're just not seeing it under not shipped yet and it's not under your orders? I recommend that you hover over your account, go to account right here and look for your payments. Once you click on your payments, you want to go to the transaction section right here at the top. This is going to give you the, let's say, the history of transaction that was made from your card. So you'll know that you have your cards under your account. And of course, it will also show you that you purchased something. And it will show you the cards that you have. As you can see right here on the wallet, it's going to show you your cards and all of those stuff. But it will show you your order history. What are all the payments that was completed under your card. And you can click on these orders as well. So you have the order number, you can click on this and it's going to show you what was purchased. And so you can see if that was purchased from which card, you can see all of this stuff and you will see what your item was. See, right here, it's showing me your view your item. It shows me what that item was that I purchased. And so here you will be able to see if the item is shown up there. And if it was, then, and if it is, then you know that the item was purchased. If it's not showing under your account, then you may need to contact Amazon to say, I've purchased it. It's showing under my account right here, but I'm not able to track that product, right? I'm not able to see the product under my orders, or I'm not able to see it on the ship yet, or something like that. You will be able to contact Amazon and just say, I'm not able to see the product. What if the item is not showing there as well under your transaction? What if you're not able to see there? Then that's a whole other thing. You want to check your bank account or your card, your account on your bank. You must have a mobile app. So you can sign into that mobile app into your bank and check your transaction history. If not, you log into your online banking as well. So you log on to the official website of your account for your bank. Once you sign in, you will be able to find your order history and you should see if they charge you, right? If they charge you, this is very crucial because you want to contact your bank, explain that as well, or you take the transaction details, each transaction of a transaction ID, and you can use this to communicate with Amazon to say, I was charged, not able to see the product under my transactions, not able to see the product under my, let's say, my orders and all those things. So you will need to provide transaction ID. You will need to provide what you purchase, the date and time you purchase, all of this stuff. It can get a little bit more complex, guys, but at least you know where to start, right? You know what to check for, and it's going to help you know to be able to solve the problem or fix this problem, this issue that you're having when you can't see your Amazon orders. So I just want to share these things with you guys, and this is how you'll go about solving the problem or fixing this problem that you have. I really hope that your problem is not so complex that you have to communicate with bank and Amazon to solve this, and it's only just a filter settings that you have, but that is how you'll be able to actually check it. Now, I want to go a little bit more further. It's also something that you could try if you purchase it and you were sure and you can see it on your account as well. You might want to check the app, the Amazon app, because you don't know if it could be related to your browser or something like that, cache or whatever, why it's not showing. It could be a wide range of different things. So you may want to try this on a different phone. You can try it on your phone. Let's say if you have it on a PC, you try it on a PC and you're not seeing it, try the mobile app as well. And what I recommend that you can also do is to try another network. So if you're using your mobile phone, you can just say, let me disconnect from my Wi-Fi if your Wi-Fi is connected to your home network or something, and just use your mobile data to check your Amazon account. Close the app and so forth. The same thing could be on the computer as well. If you're not seeing it, you might want to again just hover over your account, log out, and log back in, try again, or maybe try a different browser to sign in, or maybe you want to right click on your browser and just say, let me sign in using incognito into my Amazon account and try to see if you can view it. So these simple things is just things that you can try, guys, to see if you're able to see your orders on your Amazon account. I really hope something help you and you'll be able to find and solve this problem by viewing your Amazon orders. And that's pretty much all that you have to do. I wish you all the best. And if you find value within this video, give this video a like. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel. And I'm looking forward to see you guys in the next video.